The battle space can be dense and complex. Information changes quickly. To see the battle properly, you must see it from every angle. Armor, augmented reality, mission observation, and rehearsal gives you many options for viewing the action. You can watch it normally with a monitor, or by using the latest in immersive technology like virtual or augmented reality. You can watch the action from overhead in augmented reality to take in all the information, or from virtual reality to see a first-person perspective. Armor unleashes the power of the Unity game engine, allowing for unprecedented flexibility and extensibility. Armor can do all this by sharing the data directly from MACE, our full-spectrum battlespace simulation. This allows Armor to visualize every data point in real time, whether it is the flight of a missile, the beams of a radar, or the transmissions from radios. Create your battlespace with the data you have. MACE allows you to create terrain for Armor by combining elevation data with satellite imagery or OpenStreetMap data. Combine the simulation power of MACE with the visual power and flexibility of Armor, and you have the perfect solution for wargaming and mission rehearsal.